Hi guys, welcome to another maths tutorial brought to you by Direct Tutoring. Today we're going to have a look at questions 9 and 10 of the 2019 calculator paper. This is the fourth video out of 8 which covers all the questions in the 2019 calculator paper. So if we take a look at question number 9, question number 9 says that Georgie had her roof repaired. She was charged an extra 2.5% for the late payment. She had to pay a total of £977.85. Calculate how much she would have saved if she had paid on time. Now, this is a reverse percentage style question, because the best way to go about this is to say, right, she would have paid 100%. However, we need to add on 2.5%, and that'll tell us that she paid 102.5%. Now, the best way to go about any of these questions is to use what I like to refer to as the arrow method. Now it means two arrows, and you say, right, 102.5% is equivalent to £977.85. However, it wants us to calculate how much she would have saved, which means we will have to work out how much she would have paid at 100% without the 2.5. So instead of working out what 102.5% is, let's work out what 100% is. Now, the calculation in order to do this is you take the two numbers that are diagonal to one another, you multiply them, and then you divide by the remaining number. So the calculation is 100 times by 977.85 divided by 102.5. Now that will give us a value of 954. So that means the original bill was £954. So, fairly self-explanatory now that the amount saved is going to be the 977.85 that she had to pay minus the 954 will give us a saving of £23.85. And that's how you would go about solving this problem. This relationship here is very, very handy for a lot of percentage questions. Not compound interest, but general reverse percentages, standard percentages, all that kind of thing. Now number 10 is a completing the square question. Now there is many different ways of solving these problems, but for me personally this is the easiest way to solve these. So by writing out the question first, we then focus on the bracket first. So we're going to deal with this section. So that refers to the terms with the x's. Now, all we have to do is divide everything by x first. So we then get x plus 10, and then you half this value. So your bracket will become x plus 5 squared. So that's us found P right away. Now, in order for us to find Q, we have to multiply this out and then compare it to what we were given. So if over here we will do x plus 5 times x plus 5, and using FOIL, and we have subsequent videos on our channel that show you how to solve these kind of problems every step of the way. If we use FOIL, we'll get x squared plus 5x plus 5x plus 25. And then if we tidy this up, we'll get x squared plus 10x plus 25. Now, you can do a checklist and you can say, have I done it right so far? If you have, this two terms here should be exactly the same as what you started with. The only difference should be this value here and this value here. So the value of Q is going to be the original value minus the new value. So Q will equal, the original was minus 15, take away 25. So Q will equal minus 40. Now, if you left it like that, you would only get a mark. You must write it in its final form, which is going to be x plus 5 squared minus 40. And that is your final answer. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful in solving questions 9 and 10. There'll be subsequent videos that follow for the remaining questions. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.